How to log into PNC mobile app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in order to log into PNC mobile app, first of all you could download it from your app store or maybe your Play Store, and then you could use the user ID and password itself. So you want to open up your respective app store. So open up your app store and type in PNC mobile app and click on the install button. After the app is completely installed, click on the open button, and now then it's gonna ask you to type in your user ID as well as your password associated with that. So quickly type in the following information, click on the sign in button, and you'll have successfully logged into your account. And for some reason, if you're not able to log in, you click on to forgot user ID or password, and it's gonna help you out reset or recover your information as well. Now then, if you don't want to use an app and want to use a browser version, you could do that as well. All you need is open up any browser that you have on your device. On the web address bar, you want to type in PNC, and you can find a link at the top, so click onto it, and that should definitely help you out login. So the steps are similar. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.